What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what is going on, boo? Today in this video I did a soft, glossy, glowy, kind of summer pink lip vibe. You feel what I'm saying? So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So my boo, we're jumping right into it, jumping into some setting spray, spraying that face, and then we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. moisturizer, laying that e.l.f. on the face. And I like to basically take a brush and blend this in, especially when I have nails. Child, it'd be so hard for me to blend my moisturizer in. So we're just going to blend this in with a brush, and then once we got it down, I'll take my hands and just finish that off and blend it in really good. So now we're going to be jumping into the Dew Wet by Myricks, honey. I love this Dew Wet, especially in the summertime, especially if you want that glow look. It is the bomb. So real quick, I'm just going to fix these smile lines on my face using some setting powder. For that, that's the only part where I put it at. And now we're going to be jumping into some contour. I am starting off with the Myricks, shaping the face and shaping the nose as well, just the upper part of my nose, not the whole nose, just the upper part. Then we're going to jump into some blush. We're jumping to the P. Louise and the e.l.f. and I'm just going to take that blush, not brush, and lay that down, honey. Just lay it down really good. You dig me? And you don't need a lot. Also, we're going to be jumping into this concealer, and we're just going to be taking this L'Oreal Paris concealer and laying it down really good, okay? Making sure it's a nice thin layer, and I do not use a lot of concealer, especially when I want that natural glow look. So we're also going to use that tan sand, the light part, but we're only going to put it under the eye, on the nose, on the chin, and like that. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm going to also jump into this Charlotte Tilbury, the Flawless, and I only put that under the nose. I do not now be putting a bunch of stuff under my nose because I've noticed that it just be too much. You know what I'm saying? So next we're going to be jumping into some LYS. Y'all know I love my LYS foundation, and you only need a pea size, and I'm just going to lay that all over the face. Make sure it's nice and thin. It really does matter how you lay your foundation and your concealer, okay? The lighter you lay it, the better the blend. So we're going to be laying this down really good, and we're going to be blending this in very good, and just blending it, light taps. Do not be hitting your face and wiping your face. Don't do that, okay? Tap it lightly, okay? Say it with me. I tap it light now. Tap it light now. Yeah, okay? So we're going to be doing that or whatever. I'm a mess. Don't be paying me no mind. But yes, we're going to be also now blending in that foundation because I want to make sure this makeup is seamless. You understand what I'm saying? I do not want any demarcations or nothing like that on the face. So we're going to blend this in really good, and then we're going to blend the outer corners of the eye nice and soft, making sure it's blend. I don't know, but it really does matter if you do a lighter hand. You don't have to be heavy. I have a heavy hand, but I've noticed that the lighter I touch my eyes, the better. So now I'm just going to take some Laura Mercier and put that under my eyes and around my face. This is what I do before I really want to jump into hard baking. I noticed that when I just jump into baking, my under eyes crease so fast. So I really don't be having time for that. So I use a little bit of Laura Mercier first, and then we bake. And as you can see, we is baking, and we not scared to bake. Never scared. What? I ain't never scared. And they never scared. Okay? It's like, no. But so we're just going to bake this really light because you don't need a lot of baking, but you need enough because you want this to stay because, baby, it's the summertime. Okay? So now we're going to jump into eyebrows, get that grease up out the eyebrows before we start laying this product on the eyebrow. And I'm doing really light brows today, but you gonna know I got a brow. You feel what I'm saying? You gonna know. You gonna have to know, you know. But I'm just doing a light brow, something chill and something cool, calm and collected, whatever. Definitely want to take the spoolie and brush that out, make sure it's nice and neat. Then I'm jumping back into that Charlotte Tilbury and cleaning up these eyebrows, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. I'm not really doing a lot to the eyes, and I want to keep my eyes natural, so since that Flawless is kind of nice and kind of is giving like my complexion a little bit, I definitely want to lay that all over the eye. So I'm gonna lay it all over the eye, nice and chill. You dig me? Next, honey, we are going to be taking all this powder off the face, because when it's the summertime, I do not bake so long because I don't be wanting my stuff to separate or get cakey. So I'm going to do that. Then we're going to take this Juvia's Place and touch up that contour, because a cream needs a powder. Always. Always put a powder over your creams, no matter what. And I'm just going to take that and put that over the eye and over my eyelid, because I still want that natural vibe. And I just took a little bit of that petunia and put it under the brow, something small, nothing that major. And then I'm just going to take this e.l.f. mascara and lay the e.l.f. mascara over the lid. I love this e.l.f. mascara. It really helps with my lashes, especially with me prepping, because child, it be so hard with me doing lashes, especially when I put my nails on first. Oh my God. You see what's happening, okay? I'm about to cry. But, you know, I fixed it. I didn't fix it there, but I fixed it. So we're going to take this MAC glass, the lip glass, and I'm going to lay only a teeny bit, because I want it to be glossy, but like kind of like not so glossy, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to lay that, and then I'm going to just take a brush and just make sure it's nice and seamless and soft, because I want a soft gloss, not a hard gloss. Then I'm just going to take a little bit more blush, and then just blush the face and highlight my points with that Petunia by Tiana Teller, because y'all know I love me some Tiana Teller, okay? Now we're jumping into lip, honey, and for lip we did not the P. Louise, we did the lime crime, and I was liking it because, you know, I wanted this pink lip. And then when I looked at it, I said, oh, this is a hot mess. I cannot do this. So I had to take my brown lip pencil by Black Opal and put that over top of the red, and it looked cute. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it gave it a cute little look. So I'm definitely going to do that again. And I'm just cleaning up the bottom part of my lips, making sure it looks nice and neat. And now we're going to jump into the Lime Crime True Love, and I'm going to put that pink on my lip really quick. And I really love this lip. This matte lip was lit. I was like, oh, I don't even want to do no gloss. Like, I'm just loving this matte lip. Like, do your thing. I ain't mad at you, okay? Next, I'm just going to real quick do my bottom lashes really quick. My grandma showed me that technique. She says it makes the lashes long, and it do. She never lied, okay? And now I'm just going to put some Sephora liner under the eye really quick, okay? And now I'm just take this out my hair and fix my hair really quick so I can spray my face. And I'm gonna just spray my face. I love this setting spray because it really is good for the summertime. It does not move your makeup. I mean, the best. My eyelashes is trying to draw on me, but you're not going to embarrass me. I don't want to have to check you in public, okay? Now stay down and act right. Act like you was born with me on the 31st. You know, you came out of my eyeball. I mean, out of my eyelid. You dig? Stop acting like you fake. Don't get over here and be fake, because you know, like, the eye be acting fake. You're letting people in my business, okay? Anyway. This is the final look, and I really love the way this joint came out, okay? Like, I really love a real summer chill look with a pop little pink lip. And I'm not really like a pink lip kind of girl. Like, I'm really like that nude brown with the light pink. Like, I'll give that to you in every video. But for some reason, this is giving like this might be my new look, okay? I'm about to kiss all on my man. It's like, no. I'm not lying. I'm going to kiss all on my man. If you are feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below. Keep God first, period. Peace.